Hello, I will next explain my family tree. My family tree starts with my grandfather. He is 88 years old. He is retired. I want travel with him and stay time with him. My next relative is my grandmother. She is 82 years old. She is retired. I want to continue visit her. My next relative is my father. He is 53 years old. He has a store. I want travel with him a lot and visit more restaurants. My next relative is my mom. She is 51 years old. She also has a store. I want to stay with she in our farm and share with she all our goals. My next relative is my brother. He is there years old. He is teacher. I want to practice sport with him and take fun time. My next relative is my sister. She is 34 years old. She has a store with her husband. I want to visit my niece and visit her and the years. My next relative is my uncle. He is 51 years old. He has a business. I want to ride a bicycle with him on weekend and play table games. My next relative is my aunt. She is 42 years old. She is a bank employee. Visit my good daughters and play table games. Thank you.